Learn sea animal names and facts. Fun ocean animal facts for kids. Welcome to Kids Step by Step. Today we're exploring amazing sea creatures and discovering fun facts about animals from the ocean and beyond. Let's dive in. Clownfish. Clownfish love warm waters like the Red Sea and the Pacific Ocean. They hide safely among sea anemones and can even make popping and clucking sounds to talk to each other. Whales. All toothed whales have something called a melon in their forehead, which helps them make sounds. Some whales even use bubble nets to trap their food. Blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, can communicate with calls that travel for hundreds of miles underwater. Blue tang, also known as a regal tang or blue hippo tang. This bright blue fish is a favorite in coral reefs. Ducks. When ducks clean their feathers, it's called preening. Their eggs hatch in about 28 days, and baby ducklings can fly within 5-8 weeks. Ducks waddle because of their webbed feet. Lions. Most lions live in Africa, and males can weigh up to 30 stone. Their manes aren't just for looks. They tell a story about the lion's age and strengths. Octopus. The octopus is a master of disguise. It can change its color to gray, blue, green, pink, or even bright red when angry. Squid. Squids have 2 long tentacles and a soft body protected by a special muscle called the mantle. Orcas. Killer whales, also called orcas. Killer whales are apex predators at the very top of the food chain. They eat fish, squid, and even seals. Elephants. Did you know elephants are the only mammals that can't jump? And mother elephants are pregnant for almost 22 months. That's the longest of any land animal. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are powerful hunters. They eat mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and even insects. With eyes and nostrils on top of their head, they can hide almost their whole body underwater while watching for prey. Turtles. There are over 350 species of turtles. They move slowly, but their hard shells protect them from predators. Seahorses. Male seahorses carry the babies. Yep, the dads. They're monogamous and usually stay with one partner for life. Hermit crabs. Hermit crabs can live more than 30 years in the wild. They travel in colonies and borrow shells from other creatures for protection. Sea lions. Sea lions are like walruses. They can flip their back flippers under their body to walk on land. Hammerhead sharks. There are 9 species of hammerhead sharks. Their oddly shaped heads help them hunt, and they're not even bothered by stingray barbs. Zebras. Every zebra has a unique set of stripes, just like fingerprints. They can even sleep while standing up. Sheep. Sheep have a wide field of vision, almost 300 degrees, which lets them see behind without turning their heads. Pufferfish, also known as blowfish. Pufferfish puff up into big, round balls when threatened. They can grow several times their size to scare predators. Alligators. Alligators live near lakes, swamps, and rivers. They're carnivores and powerful swimmers. Parrots. Parrots are clever birds that can use tools. Their strong toes help them climb trees with ease. Frogs. Frogs don't have tails as adults, but they do as tadpoles. With their long legs and webbed toes, they are amazing jumpers and swimmers. Wow! From octopuses that change colors to seahorse dads carrying babies, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Which animal fact was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning videos.